Hi guys, Tucker here for another little vlog kind of quick video. There's a car meet tonight that I'm going to go to. It's at the movie theater, which is kind of the only theater that we have here in Bellingham. But I've been to this meet before, kind of organized by the same people. It's always at Regal Cinemas, and it's a pretty big meet, so I'm really excited about it. Anyway, I'm shooting another really big video kind of about Pacific Northwest car culture. It's not going to be like a documentary or anything, but it's going to be kind of a more better edited video. It won't be like one of these little vlogs. So that video is coming out in the next probably month or so. I've got a lot of shooting to do. I've been doing shoots with my friends that have different modified cars around Bellingham, and that's going to be really cool. So I'm really excited for that. I'm going to live stream this entire meet, so I'll put my my Instagram below wherever the bottom of this frame is, and you guys should all go follow that so that you can see the live streams of all of the meets and things that I do, because I like to live stream a lot. So this meet should be good. I'm really excited. Another really cool thing is the school is letting me borrow this Canon XA10 to shoot my videos for my video productions class on. So it's pretty awesome. It's really fun to mess around with. So yeah, this will be fun to shoot with tonight. Alright, so we're at the meet and friggin' GTR shows up. Like, what? And we got the live stream going. That's pretty insane. What? Was not expecting a GTR to show up. This is pretty sick.
Yeah, I met him. He was trying to catch up to me. I was racing some guy in a Mustang.
That's pretty awesome. Alright, so an update. So the GTR is now next to the 350. We got trucks showing up everywhere. Here are the cars. Plenty of people. This 240 just showed up. I actually like this 240. It's pretty sweet. Pretty awesome. Let's see. This is awesome. Datsun truck. Trucks just everywhere. It's pretty sick. Okay, you got it? So, here's the rest of the meet. And the meet isn't supposed to start for another, what, half hour? And there's already this many people here, and a freaking GTR. So this is pretty awesome. So awesome. Alright, Honda squad is rolling in. The squad of many Hondas. So many. Jesus. And then another 240, because that's the rarest car ever at car meets. Or that's not a 240, is that a 300ZX? I think that's a 300ZX. Anyway, this thing's pretty sick. Look at that. You don't see one of those every day. 8086. Let's see what else. More Honda squad. And down here, pull in. So many. And then E30s. Those are probably one of my favorites. I like E30s. Yeah, this is sick. And then over here, we go through the trucks. We find Nissan Squad, 240s, GTR, 350Z. So yeah, the meet's starting to happen. We'll wait and see if Kai and Corey show up soon. So, RX-7 and a Supra just showed up. Awesome. Sick. It's pretty dank.
It's pretty dang. Is it a turbo?
Awesome. It's getting chaotic now. Jeez. Slam.
Somebody that was at Dairy Queen that night.
This is insane. Jesus. Oh, M3 showed up.
Yeah.
Hey, BMW squad. Jesus. This is so cool. So many friggin' BMWs. Whole BMW squad showed up. Look at this shit. Look.
He's so used to it by now. So used
6 Series. M3.
Wait, after
3 Series. Another M3. And then a friggin' E30. 3 Series. This is so insane. If you guys couldn't tell, I'm a BMW fan. And then 1J swapped, Volvo squad. This is so awesome. This is so sick. Neon squad right there. More Honda squad. Holy shit. Oh my god. What? This is so awesome, dude. This is Harry's friggin' awesome Volvo. Because Volvo squad. This is awesome. It's the best car. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a DeLorean.
It's a pretty dank DeLorean. Hey, E-Type. Okay, that's pretty sick. Gotta love when that shows up, right? Just low-key parks in the back. Awesome. There's literally everything here. Now I've seen absolutely everything. This is awesome. Another friggin' RX-7 shows up. That's pretty awesome. What up? This is insane. What? There's literally everything here. It's a toaster. Awesome. Friggin' Acura up there just keeps burning out. What? Oh my god. This is pretty crazy. This is pretty sick. Let's see what's going on back here, just because I haven't been back here a whole lot. What showed up here? There was a whole thing going on up here. This is so awesome. So many freaking cars, jeez. This is a big meet. Hey! Friggin' Sam's here with his M3. That's sick. Wide body M3.
Yeah, already fucking
Nice to see Sam. With BMW squad. This is insane. This is sick. Hey, Corey's here. Sick. Sick.
I have German
Alright, so the meat is insane. Look at this. There's so many cars. People.
I don't know, like an hour and
Jesus. Jesus. This is insane. You go up here. There's cars freaking everywhere. One RX-7, second RX-7 up here, Supra. Cars just freaking everywhere. Every 2 seconds, there's another car coming in. Look, Corey's Supra. Wing on that Miata. Miata squad. This is just absolutely nuts. This meat is huge. Oh, the wing on that Miata. Big wing. Friggin' 300ZX squad. Whoa. Over here, BMW squad. The wide body M3, another M3 over there. Volvo. Friggin' trucks everywhere. This is so sick. E30s.
How's it going?
Just look at this. What? Cars friggin' everywhere.
Oh no.
This is just insane. Here, we'll cut through here. E-Type down there, that's insane. Harry's Volvo. Go up here. You got a whole nother squad. Let's see who's making noise up here. Probably that same Volkswagen that's going through. Got the Nissans, GTR, tons of 240s everywhere. Just look at this.
Exactly. When I brought over to the new house, it was the first time I threw
I think it's 1J swapped. This is so crazy. Another 6 Series rolling in. This is pretty crazy. Another M3 here. Just unreal. Unfriggin' real. GR's heading out, check it out. Race car. What?
Hey, he's Karski.
Bro, look at these niggas balls. Got people hating shit from the car? Balls are hella tight.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, bro.
You're drunk already.
There goes Corey.